Hello everyone, it's Iga here. It's been a week since I posted the last video about the hydroponic garden tour. So today I'm doing an update of how the plants are going. And for a week of growth, I think it's been amazing. It's been quite phenomenal. And as you can see, we have the three colors. They are always doing very well. The plants are huge. So this week I had to change the water because right now as big as they are, they consume a lot of water. So sometimes I gotta change the water with the nutrients. Over here I have the chard container with the chards. As you can see, they grew a lot. Oh. And the roots are very long too. Some lettuce here. These are the smallest plants I have here, I think. I remember the name of this plant is basil. Little basil. Is doing okay. We got some tatsoi, I believe. It grows quite well too, as you can see. More chard, the red one, and the yellow stem one. And we have here my nursery with some plants I need to transplant. But right now I don't have any containers, so I gotta make some in this week. As you can see, the green onion is not doing so well. Well, I think it's just normal. It doesn't grow as fast. If you consider that it had the same age as this chard, but that is quite big. You see the water level has dropped. So, I have some cilantro here. Some lettuce, some mustard greens. This plant is beautiful. I think this is the most beautiful plant in here. I have never tasted the mustard greens, but I'm looking forward to try it with some food. And over here we got we got some chards again, some arugula, basil over here, and the strawberries. I got a ripe strawberry over here. They're doing a little bit better, but the strawberries are ugly. I must somehow get them better. I'm growing this by the Kratky method of hydroponics. Actually, the guy who invented this method, he has a YouTube channel. The name used to be Dakin Approaches. Now it's Grow Kratky. So you can follow him, and he has lectures and videos about how to grow a lot of vegetable and fruits too. The amazing thing about the internet is that it doesn't matter where you are in Africa, in Asia, whatever, you can learn and grow food by this method of hydroponics. So that's it for today. Have a nice day, everyone. And that's it.